In front of me is NOKIA G42, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Nokia. You need to begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in DevCheck and download this free app from Flirt2 developer. DevCheck device and system info. When your app is ready, open it. Then, in order to use it, just swipe. This way you can learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!